guys, it is your boy, Dr. Raplox Games, and today we're doing a late recording of Happy Wheels, and we're gonna do the Jacksepticeye jump. This has profanity, I swear to God. So, I'm not used to this. The way it's arrow keys, it's different. Abigail. Subs to PewDiePie's and Knott's T-Series. T-Series equals Trash Series. Remember that, guys. Remember that. I'm legally allowed to say it. Right? Perfect. Just perfect. Oh, I'm gone. Okay. No! Billy's on lasagna. We serve it with cheese. What did I just say? Octopus. Cotton-headed Niggy Muggins. YouTube is what I'm doing in life, guys. So reward entertaining in different videos. I'm so trash. I'm gonna have to stop this soon. I'm not gonna sing that song because it's copyrighted. No strikes for me today. No copyright. I'm not a rage quit. I'm kinda am. It's hard. You kinda have to. I'll stop recording. Oh! Wow, that is very hard. On to the next one. Just to let you guys know, that's not rage quitting. Okay? It's not rage. This is another Jacksepticeye themed level. It's a Billy Blender. This is gonna be fun, isn't it? I can't show this. I physically. This next one is called Ways to Kill Timmy, Author's Comments, or Billy. Here we go. Oh! Jeez. I'm gonna keep going with this one. I don't care if I can't show it. Yes. Just do it. It's first victory. So.
Christopher, come here!
Yay! Oh, I gotta see this one. Ah! We're gonna move on now.
Okay.
There you go. That's fine. Guys, I'm serious. It's very, 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 very gruesome. Just to let you know. I forgot to warn you guys. Yeah. How about Pogo fight? It's gonna be hard, probably. Come on, child. I'm gonna go pacifist. I probably just can't go pacifist. I hate these other games. Yeah, I like the fun. Oh! Oh, that hurt! Oh, no! Oh, this is gonna be like... That's not okay. We're just gonna keep going from here. I don't want to kill the child. Oh! Oh, no! Billy! Or Timmy! I'm gonna call him Timmy. Timmy! Timmy, are you okay? Timmy, why did you do that? Timmy. Look, I'm your friend. There's seriously no need for you to, like, start killing me like that. Ah, ha. Timmy, that's my my revenge. I'm sorry I stole your bananas, Timmy. Timmy, I'm very sorry I stole your bananas, but there's literally no reason for you to escalate to killing. I mean, like, Timmy. Timmy's mom. Okay. That's the death of Timmy. Let's look for another one I don't really care about. How about Harpoon Run? Yeah, that's just not going to end up well at all now, is it? Oh, I was already shot in the back with harpoons. How the heck are you supposed to expect that? How do you think I'm supposed to... What the heck is this game? Chains. So it's a lot of chains. This is a very, very, very bad, poorly made level for Pogo Guy. Pogo Stick Man. This is going to be more made for Santa Claus. Yeah, you heard me. Santa. Why are your elves being tied by the neck? Best level for Santa Claus, I'm telling you. It's poorly made. It's great. I hate it. I want it to go die. I just bashed the elf right off the chain. How about... This isn't a level for Santa Claus either. I mean, Santa can fix everything. It's a level for Helicopter Man. Wow, my helicopter is gonna break, isn't it? Ah! Ah! I probably didn't make this throw. You kidding me? It's impossible. You can't do it with him. How about we do it with Pogo Big Stick Man? Ha! 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 Harpoon don't get me no more. Pogo Stick Man's perfect for this job. Pogo Stick Man's love. Pogo Stick Man's life. Quote that from the best Dr. Matt Blocks games moments. None of them are. 34, Mom. This game sucks. Oh, look at that stupid rating. It's so bad. It's it's like a half of a star.
What is half a star?
The game that I just played. It's like poorly designed and poorly made. I'm a noob. I nailed it. Oh, come on! This game be trash. Hold on. Button mash. Let's leave. Don't move, Epic. Yeah, okay. What else? But I didn't move. Is this game broken? No. Come on. How about Indiana Jones? That was bad. I'm really sorry. Indiana Jones is dead. That was probably like the most high-pitched scream you ever heard in your life, guys. How is he dead already? I'm gonna show that anyway. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like down below. And maybe subscribe if you would. Sorry for that scream. I usually have a higher chair. It's annoying. Anyway, goodbye.